twanging, because they'll say you're twanging, right? Because you're speaking properly. Yeah. So I said to her, you know what? Maybe I'll walk. I'm saying maybe I'll say to her, I went to work today and I had 4 guests. They were really friendly. They were really nice. 2 of them were from Starfish, 2 were from Holiday Inn. They were friendly and nice. We had a wonderful tour today. They talked to me a lot. Very lively. Then she was like, what the heck are you saying? Don't talk to me. I'm like, all right. Today I gotta walk. I make a 4 people on my bus. 2 of them come from Starfish, 2 come from Holiday Inn. They were nice and chat to me for the whole day. After you chat to me, I chat for the whole day, you know?
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And we're like, what?
Yeah, I said the same thing. I met 4 guests today. We were friendly. Chat means talk. You know? So I'm saying, we chat for the whole day. It means we're talking for the whole day. You guys are talking to me, I'm talking to you. So we're having a wonderful time on the tour. So, yeah. Come out of my bus. I'm saying, get out of my bus. Go on your way. Chat to me. I'm saying, don't talk to me. What you say? I'm saying, what do you say? Whatever, like you say, we say what? No bother me, man. No bother me. I'm saying whatever or don't disturb me.
Say it again.
No bother me.
Don't bother me.
Don't bother me. Yeah. I could say, yo, wagwan, wantin. I'm saying to you, hello, hi, how are you doing? What's up? All right. So we say yo, Y-O-W.
Yeah.
We could say gyal, which means girl. Like I could say to the, like there are 2 young ladies up top there. I could say. Look on the right, there's a 2 young girl up there, so right now. You say, look up top, there's 2 young ladies on the roadside, but I'll say 2 girls. Right? I'll say 2 girls, right? Boy, we say a boy. But we spell that boy, B-W-O-Y, means boy. Like I could say in a sentence to you, no, I could say, Fimi, Muma, De, A, Mi, Yad. I'm saying to you, my mother is at my house. Fimi, mama, de, and me yard. I'm saying to my mother's at the house. Fimi, papa, de, my father is dead. Me have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. I have 2 sisters and 2 brothers. Yeah? Me, no, Bennett. Bennett's turn right now. Bennett have 5 bunununos. You know what bunununos is what? 5 girlfriends. Yeah. So bunununos is just an endearment for boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, or husband. You know? So that we say putos. Like most old people say